Aorta is going to branch into your brachiocephalic branch, which is going to go into your right and left common carotid arteries. Then you're going to have your left subclavian artery, which is going to branch into your internal thoracic artery or your internal mammillary artery. You're going to continue on and you're going to have a branch right here, your costocervical branch. Then in the middle you'll have your vertebral artery, and then you're going to have your thyrocervical artery. You're going to have your axillary artery then. Coming off of that will be your ventral thoracic artery. Next to that will be your long thoracic artery. Continue on and you will have your subscapular artery, and then it will change to your brachial artery, which will soon turn into your radial and ulnar arteries.